Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to summarize meeting with the help of Notion AI. With the help of this feature, you can summarize your own meeting with just a single click. If you have a PDF file of your meeting, or even that is written in your Microsoft Word or in Notepad, you just have to copy that meeting and paste in the Notion, then let them summarize that for you. And even you can ask the Notion to schedule a meeting. You just have to select time, and then Notion only will do it in single click. The first thing is head over to the Notion and tap on this pencil icon to create a new page. Now here, before writing anything, you can see icon of Ask AI. Click on it. Now, AI feature of Notion has been enabled. Copy and paste your meeting if you already have. If you don't, then write the date and time and ask Notion to schedule it. I have a meeting file ready in my Notepad, and I will copy it from my Notepad. So let me do it. After it, I will paste here, and on the last I will see, please summarize it. Now Notion is start thinking, and you can see the meeting overview. Each and single thing has been summarized with the help of Notion AI. And that's it.